That fits pretty well, except for that last one, which I replaced because it was too short. And now it's too long, but too long I can fix. Well, what we have here is the dry fit. The sides and the base are not attached to the back yet, but I was just making sure everything would fit, and it looks good at this point. So, the next step will be to glue this piece on. Once that's solid, then I have something to really work against to get the sides on. These two little clamps on the sides are just stops so that it will make it easier to get this thing located with the glue on. It's always exciting once you get glue on. This is a special high quality glue specifically for instrument building. I've always used hardware store yellow glue before, which is very similar, but this stuff is supposed to have better acoustic qualities and also is less visible in the finished joint. It's what I used on the guitar I built last winter and seems to work really well. There may be better ways of spreading the glue, but my finger is always with me. I've been using furniture pads for clamping pads. They don't work under high pressure, they drift. But for moderate pressure like this, they work great. And it's certainly preferable to struggling with loose pieces of wood. I've got 20 pounds of weight on the other end of the back to keep the weight of the clamps from tipping over. Now I don't have to worry about squeeze out on the outside because that piece is going to get trimmed. So I only will clean up on the inside. To do is clean up that inside, and this is done. I had to take some time out to make these spool clamps, often used in a smaller version for violin building. But with the taper on this box, it seemed to be the easiest way to clamp it up. I'm going to have to make another 30 clamps before I put the top on, because I'll have to clamp both sides at the same time. These blocks are just to keep things square while I boot it up. I left all of the outside edges a little bit long, so cleanup here involves removing some wood by whatever means is the most efficient. The top cap is the last major structural element of the box. Here I'm cutting back some of the extra material on the sides. The neck bears down on the top cap with several hundred pounds of pressure. So I'm trimming the linings so the cap will sit on top of the linings and be held by structure and not just rely on the strength of the glue. Have the top cap fitted. It has some interesting angles, but it slides down in there, and the neck will sit like here. So all that's left to do to this is glue it in, and it will hold the top square. This side's rolled out a little bit, and that will take care of it. Well, now that the top cap is in, the box is almost ready for the soundboard. I still need to put in some side braces and the leg locks. That'll be in the next chapter. If you're enjoying these videos, consider becoming a patron. Patrons get early access to all my videos and some exclusive content, like a video on making those spool clamps, for example. And also some of my quick tip videos, which are less than 2 minutes and give short tricks and techniques that'll save you time and aggravation in your shop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.